Morning everybody, I am really excited. Look, there it is, ready to deliver this talk today to all these pupils, hundreds and hundreds of kids at Blackpool Unity. It's going to become the first kindness academy in Blackpool, to speak to these children and inspire and motivate them to understand just how much kindness matters. Check this out. Look at this for a show. There we go. And Mrs. just popped her head through the door. It's me, John Magee from Kindness Matters. Hope you're all well. Today has been such a emotional day. Emotional as in good emotional. I had the privilege of speaking to hundreds and hundreds of children at Unity Academy Blackpool as they become the first Kindness Academy. And what I shared with them was that life is all about choices. And do you know what else is a choice? Kindness. And I shared with them about we need to get a deeper understanding that kindness is a choice. And if you're not choosing to be kind to somebody, I'm sorry to tell you that you're being unkind, and that is just unacceptable. So can I encourage anybody watching this right now to start to take more responsibility for your choices and to think more about your kindness? Because as we all know, kindness is a choice. Academy. I've just got in the car. I'm just off to Manchester to speak for Action for Happiness, and I'm gonna absolutely inspire that audience tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Bloody freezing, Manchester. And just like my man, Bobby Brown said, return of the Mac. With John here at the event at Action for Happiness. Say hello, John.
Hi.
And here's Mark, the MD of Action for Happiness.
Hi.
And that is where the magic is going to happen. Look at this, just with the man Mark Williamson. Look at this. Look at this weather. Look at this weather in Manchester. Oh my God. Oh no. OMG. It's a little bit cold in the UK today. John Magee needs some vitamin D. Your 1 minute practical kindness tip today is this. I would like to encourage you all to go out there today and every day and do your best to pay lots of compliments to people. You see, I don't know about you, but I love receiving a compliment or two. And do you know why? Because it makes you feel good. So if it makes me feel good, why would I not want somebody else to feel good too? You see, what you do comes back to you. And here's the thing. When we give somebody a compliment, our bodies release a chemical called oxytocin, which is the love hormone. Hubba, hubba, choo, choo. So guys, get out there today. Dish out loads of compliments because, you know, some people tend to forget that kindness is free. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. Just a little bit of your time. Thank you for your kindness, everyone.